So you can cook in olive oil. This myth that olive oil oxidizes when you cook it is one of the worst internet myths there is.
Really?
It turns out that olive oil is the least oxidizable oil. It's even better than avocado oil or coconut oil. It does not oxidize.
Oxidize meaning like evaporate.
No,
What do you
oxidize
mean, or-
meaning gets damaged.
Damaged, got it, okay.
It turns out everybody sees olive oil smoking and they figure that's damaged. It's not.
So you can burn it as much as you want.
You know, cultures have been using olive oil to cook with for 5,000 years.
Yeah.
And, you know, there's not a lot of dead Italians from cooking in olive oil.